Namaste. In this video, we are going to evaluate this integral integration ln x root of x dx. So I is equal to given integration um, here ln x root of x dx. Now this radical we can convert into exponent form. So integration x to the power 1 upon ln x dx. Now here we can use substitution method. So t is equal to ln x. Here when we both side differentiate, we get dt is equal to 1 upon x dx. But here only dx, so x transfer this side, dt is equal to dx, and t is equal to ln x, so we can write x is equal to e to the power t. Okay, and this x value e to the power t we can write here, e to the power t dt is equal to dx. This is I. So all x function we can convert into t. So I is equal to integration x, we can write e to the power t, and to the power ln xt, so 1 upon t. Okay. And dx value we can write e to the power t dt. Now we can simplify this. So integration e to the power t to the power 1 upon t, power to the power multiply, and t times 1 upon t will be 1. So e to the power 1 is just e, and this is e to the power t dt. And here e is constant, so we can write outside integration e to the power t dt. And now we can easily integrate. So e, when we integrate e to the power t, we get e to the power t plus c. So e, what is e to the power t? Because our question was in x, so we can write answer in x. So e to the power t is x. We can write this x here plus c. So this is the final answer, ex plus c. C is any arbitrary constant. So very simple question, but if you have any doubt, any queries, please ask me. If you liked my video, so please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Have a great day.